exciting.
Exactly.
Coach Dante Alinsunurin, he knows that he can win this in 3 at this point. He has the momentum. He is up by 2 sets. Ayaw niya ng pakawalan ito, Mozzie.
And that's going to be very hard. If you win this in 3, you have momentum and you have the confidence of getting a win, a 3-setter win against UST. Actually, dapat sila nga yung may advantage with the twice to beat advantage. Diba?
Wala
Sila
yun, mawawala yun.
Oo, sila yung may kumpiyansa na ganun. So it's not, dapat yung mindset nila is not the other way around na may isang game pa naman.
Yeah.
It's how you really look at it.
Ito, magandang serve ni Alpha Farah. He gets the attack from the back row. Siya na nag-serve. Napapupuntos, ano?
Tulungan mo!
Akin na nga. Look at this. Look at how this guy just glides in mid-air. Such a strong
Very
upper
athletic.
body. No? Oh! Service ace. That is 4 straight points now, Mozzie, for Mark.
That's right. Gets another ace. Remember, number 2 in service aces.
Service aces. Ito, he gives USC a 3-point lead. And tignan natin kung makaka-receive ngayon ng NU. They don't need to, but again, that error gives NU a free point.
And it kind of neutralizes that ace a while ago. And yung again, yung sayang, you have that 3-point lead and then you give a freebie to NU.
It is Edwin Tolentino serving, Baisak, Mangulabnan, and Berlin Paglinaw in the front line. Castillo, on the other hand, the setter of UST, talking to Berlin, doing some trash talking of his own. Oh, nice attack for De Guzman. Baisak got fooled by the middle attack, and Casillas telling them, I told you so. Look at that. Baisak went up, and wow, Guzman only having Mangulabnan to contend with.
You have mail.
Good reception by Tipay.
Oh, Paglinawan.
That's outside.
Yeah, that's going to be a long hit from Paglinawan.
That's outside. Back to a 4-point lead for UST. The biggest lead of this set was 5 points at 7-2. But ito, medyo wide yung palo ni Berlin. Coach Dante with his timeout.
You have mail.
Kasi pag magandang receive, ang combination natin. Ay, pero pag walang receive, saka mo siya pag-openin. Combination ka pa rin dyan. Okay. Ha? Moving. Okay, correct. Tapos block tayo, trabahuin natin sa block. Isang ikot na lang si Vince sa likod na. Kailangan natin mga puntos doon mamaya. Okay, makahabol tayo. Ha?
Okay ako ah.
Hey, Golden Blue.
Sure you.
Kain niya, Vince? Nagigil ako.
Dapat kinos.
The timeout of the NU squad para lang silang magkausap sa kanto. Diba? Ganito lang, ha? They're so calm. They're so calm. Coach Dante mentioning that they need one more rotation to get Vince in the back row.
Well, nothing to be alarmed. I mean, they're 2 sets up.
Yeah.
Diba? And ayaw mo naman tarantahin din yung players mo. And, this has been their story. Paagaw-agaw lang ng lead, just staying on with the USC and getting a lot of good plays in the end.
Look at this set by Vince. Humiga na ho sa sahig. Look at that. Nakahiga na siya. And that was still a good set to Berlin Paglinaw.
And actually, Berlin returning the favor, getting the point.
Hindi naman siya pinahiya dun sa set. And dito, trying to check the rotation kung sino yung magsiserve, no? And they're allowed to do that and not directly ask, but at least check the position. You can't directly ask, sino ba server? Hindi ganon. But you can check the position.
Kasi kung hindi, nako, error yun, violation. And Paglinawan once again with a stare down yan.
Castillo. It's like Berlin saying, asan ka?
Great angle, great angle.
No doubt. Guzman with the dig, with the reception. Mark again off the block.
And this is what they need, in closing out the set. They need Mark Alpha Farah. His strength, his points.
Yeah.
So, ang magiging key dyan is how you pace him, diba? Within a set. Within a set. And even within the game.
Very true. You want him really full force going into the final stretches of each set. Ooh. that with years of playing together. No, yung delay na gusto ni change up sa pace. This is not the usual play for Peter, yung height, but pag napag-usapan nyo ng setter.
Even yung usual, let's say, usual play na ginagawa ni Peter, nababari pa nila eh. Diba? With the height of the set, with the delay.
Oh, he gets the point nevertheless, though it was a mishit.
That's true, and he would just almost scratch the ball.
Look at Peter, nakaabang na nasa area na.
Tuloy-tuloy kasi yung motion niya. Yung, ano ba yung, parang sa basketball, di ba, na-foul na, pero they will still go straight to the, na para foul counted. Parang ganyan si Peter.
Tinutuloy niya talaga.
Tinutuloy niya yung play.
Look at Bautista get through the block and score a point, hitting it down the line.
Oh,
Lumulusot
nice.
Lumulusot talaga.
Ang ganda ng dinaanan. And,
all right, Mark Alfafara in front with Guzman serving. You've got Peter Torres also in front for NU.
it's the execution now that will matter.
UST saves it!
Oh, but on the third ball, miscue.
Itong small errors, we mentioned that a young team not used to this kind of situation normally commits these kinds of errors, but a veteran and experienced team and medyo sanay sa ganyan. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Nice play, sumabit lang sa net. Good defense by Guzman. Mangulabnan is right there. Inodito will set it up to Edwin, who gets blocked. Inodito calling out Edwin, dropping it. Castillo is right there. And USC will get the point.
And Tibay, what effort coming from the libero of NU.
Partner, wala ka na yung boses.
Wala na nga.
Katipay, avoiding our cameraman. Sarabia with a short serve. Nice play to Peter.
Oh, Peter Torres once again just so unstoppable in this game, and you don't usually see Peter getting a lot of sets. But in this game, I think that's the game plan.
That's true. And Peter getting most of the feeds right now from Mangulabnan. Kung kailan kailangan yung puntos, your number one attacker should always be getting the sets. Ito na, poor reception from UST. Regalo to. Dalawa. That is inside.
And Tolentino getting it to the right spot.
23 all UST. Medyo a bit shaky here. They need to call this timeout.
Okay. Babawian mo. Nag-service naman. Pinapasok lang eh. Nagsa-short ball. Kailangan yan. Huwag niyong hintayin tumama sa inyo. Dalhin mo sa setter. Ikaw mag-initiate ng contact ng bola. Ito'y yung bola pagka nawawala kasi yung wala kang reach. Wala kang overreach na block. Ball. Hey. Hindi naman natin to.
Coach Oji Mamon reminding the boys, no, yung pag-receive dapat initiate the contact. Ihatid mo sa setter. And that's what happened in the last day. Hindi nila nagawa yun.
Naging disorganized talaga. Yung in this third set, yung kanilang floor defense.
All right, Peter Torres of NU scoring the last 3 points to close out or to tie this match at 23 all here in this set.
And
Mark Alfafara against a triple block, Moses.
And that was a good off-the-block hit because no one there after the blockers. Ang ganda nung bounce. Kasi nakita niya triple block, and that's what they should do because alam mo nang may tatlong tao nang nasa harap. So may isang magko-cover. Yung likod niya yan yung libre.
All right, Coach Oji now, Mozi, with a two-man sub. Can you tell us what he wants to happen in this play?
Well, this is a risky move for Coach Oji. But maybe fresh legs will do him good.
A full front line also?
Yes.
Oh, good save by Francisco. Edwin gets blocked.
This is what Coach Oji wanted, that block. And ang ganda ng bunot.
Ganda ng
Solid
sub.
block.
Ganda nung sub.
I-risk yun on his part, and it won him that set.
Well, that's what he wanted to do. Otherwise, it was Castillo, a short blocker in there, and Arbasto, who's much taller,
Correct.
closed out that block. So, yung pintanong ko nga sa'yo, what that move worked well for Coach
Yes,
Oji.
that's right. Anyway, nandun na siya back against
Yeah.
the wall, and he wanted to win
You
that
have
third
mail.
set. So
We are
good
playing
risk.
more volleyball, folks, here in the men's division. Fourth set coming up.
You have mail.